Hello everyone and welcome to another video. Today we're going to be taking a look at a fantastic budget option to suit everybody's needs, whether you're entering into the PC world, an esports professional, a bargain hunter, or for a budget gamer. So introducing the Thermaltake Challenger keyboard and mouse combo, which is part of their TT Esports range. First things first though, this mouse used in the combo pack is in fact the Talon V2 Esports gaming mouse. As you may remember, we reviewed last month, so if you wanted to check that out and recap what we said about this mouse, the link will be in the top right corner round about now. As the mouse by itself is a great budget option alone and is worth taking a look at, so I highly recommend you watch this video. So moving on to the keyboard, the outer body is made entirely of plastic, which is actually quite rigid for a budget option with very little to no flex at all. The overall design of the keyboard is very simple and very basic, lightweight and very easy to read with a very large font. Fitted with a 1.5 meter rubberized coated USB cable gives you plenty of room for cable management. However, there is a cable management cutout on the underbelly of the keyboard that serves no purpose at all, and it has adjustment feet for the height of the keyboard tilt, which really doesn't give you much of a tilt to be fair, but it is actually quite comfortable. The Challenger keyboard is actually fitted with a membrane switch and has a very nice spongy press with a tactile click, so it actually feels and looks like a mechanical keyboard, but not quite as loud. Having 8 major keys and 4 shortcut keys makes life much easier without having to scroll through the Windows 10 start menu. 2 effective light modes, static and pulse, with the ability to adjust the brightness, which is still neglected by some keyboard manufacturers even today. Even though the rainbow effect doesn't visually move, it is vivid and striking due to its multi-zone backlighting and looks pretty nice, and it personally grown on me every day. And being compatible with Windows XP, Vista 7, 8 and 10 means it is highly compatible with machines dating as back as old as what I am. So with the Challenger keyboard and mouse combo priced at only £19.97 over at eBuyer, I do think this is a solid option for the masses. As a spare, for a flip, a budget setup, maybe a LAN party kit, a budget gamer, but either way it deserves our must-have award. For its outstanding price to performance, I highly recommend you go out and purchase this product to either put it in the drawer as a spare or add it to a budget setup, because this type of setup will never ever let you down. Well, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, hit like. If you loved it, subscribe, and I hope to catch you all in the next one. Bye for now.